Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a mutual divorce petition. First, ensure both parties fully agree on all terms, including property and support. You'll also need to meet a minimum separation period, which is often 6 months to 1 year, depending on your jurisdiction. Begin by collecting essential documents such as your marriage certificate, address proofs, and detailed financial statements. This preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Next, you'll draft the mutual divorce petition. This document formally states that both spouses agree to end the marriage and outlines all the agreed-upon terms. It must clearly detail arrangements for child custody, child support, spousal support, and the division of assets and debts. Accuracy in all financial disclosures is paramount, so double-check every detail before proceeding. Once drafted, file your joint petition with the appropriate family court. Both spouses will typically need to appear in court for an initial hearing to confirm their consent and that the agreement is voluntary. The court will then review the petition to ensure all terms are fair and legally sound. A cooling-off period, often around 6 months, may follow before the final hearing. After the cooling-off period, if required, both parties will attend a final hearing to reaffirm their decision. If the court is satisfied, it will issue a final decree of divorce. This legal document officially dissolves your marriage and makes all the agreed-upon terms, such as property division and custody, legally binding. Remember to obtain certified copies of this decree for your personal records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.